Hello students, today we will understand properties of rational numbers. Associative property for the addition of the rational numbers. Let's A, B and C are three rational numbers. Then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. You have to put here values for the A, B and C, and you have to check left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. If both the values are equal, then we can say addition is associative for rational numbers. So let's see here. If we take A is equal to minus 2 by 3, B is equal to 3 by 5, C is equal to minus 5 by 6. Calculate A plus B plus C. Put the values for A, then B and then C. See here A minus 2 by 3, here same plus 5 and 6. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 35. 6 ja 30, so 3 6 ja, here 18 plus minus you put here minus and 6 5 ja 30, so 5 5 ja 25. Look here, plus minus minus 25 minus 18, what you will get 7, bigger digit is 25 negative, so here will be negative sign. Minus 2 by 3 plus minus minus 7 by 30. Again 3 and 30, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 30. Here 3 10 ja 30, so 2 10 ja, you have to keep here 20 minus 7. So you get here minus minus plus 20 and 7, you will get 27 divided 30. Here negative sign for the greater digit. Again you have to simplify this table of 3. 3 10 ja 30 and 3 9 ja 27. So you got finally minus 9 by 10. Similarly at the right hand side for A plus B plus C. What will be A plus B? A put value minus 2 by 3 plus B is equal to 3 by 5. Then plus C is equal to minus 5 by 6. Simplify this bracket first. 5 3s are 15 LCM. 3 5s are 15, so 2 5s are, here will be 10. Here negative sign, so put negative, plus 5 3s are 50, so 3 3s are 9. Similarly plus minus minus 5 by 6. Here minus plus minus 10 minus 9, you got 1. For the greater digit sign will be negative minus 5 by 6. Again LCM 15 and 6, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 30. 15 2s are 30, so minus 1 into 2 you will get minus 2. Here minus sign. 6 5s are 30, so 5 5s are, you have to keep here 25. Minus minus plus 25 and 2 27. For the bigger digit, here will be the negative sign. 27 by 30. Again simplify, you will get minus 9 by 10. For left hand side and right hand side both you got answer same, minus 9 by 10. So we can say addition is associative for rational numbers. Now associative property for the subtraction. See here, you have to check A minus bracket B minus C bracket closed. In the bracket A minus B bracket closed minus C. For this you have to keep the values. For A minus 2 by 3, for B minus 4 by 5 and for C 1 by 2. For A here you will keep minus 2 by 3, for B minus 4 by 5 and for C 1 by 2. Here C minus 2 by 3 keep here, minus 5 and 2, what will be the LCM? 10. 5 2s are 10, so 4 2s are 8 here, minus 2 5s are 10, so 1 into 5 you keep here 5. Minus minus plus 8 and 5 13. For the greater digit sign will be negative. For 3 and 10 LCM will be 30. 3 10 ja 30, so 2 10 ja 20. Here negative sign already exists, so minus 20. Here see minus minus you get plus answer. 10 3s are, so 13 3s are 39. Now minus plus minus 39 minus 20, you will get 19. For the bigger digit sign will be positive, so plus 19 by 30. Similarly for the right hand side, if you keep value A minus B then minus c. Put the values for the a and b and c. Here 5 and 3 LCM will be 15. Here minus minus, you keep plus sign. 3 5s are 15, so 5 2s are 10 here. Similarly 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are, you here will get here 12. Now minus plus minus, 12 minus 10, what you will get? 2. For the greater digit, sign is positive. 2 divided 15 minus 1 by 2. Now LCM again 15 and 2, what will be the LCM? 30. 15 2s are 30, so 2 2s are 4 minus here 30, you have to multiply with 15, numerator and denominator, so you will get here 15. Now 15 minus 4, what you will get? 11. For the greater digit, negative sign, so minus 11 by 30. Here see, both the values for the left hand side and right hand side are not equal, so we say subtraction is not associative for the rational numbers. Now associative property for the multiplication. You have to calculate a multiply bracket b multiply c, then you have to calculate in the bracket a multiplied b, then multiplied c. Similarly, we take values for the a minus 7 by 3, for the b 5 by 4 and for the c 2 by 9. If we calculate both the values, it will come equal, is equal to minus 70 divided by 108. Students, if you will calculate, you will get the same value. I am giving here solution. So we say multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now associativity for the divisions. You have to calculate here left hand side, a divided in the bracket b divided c and a divided b in the bracket, then divided c. If we take a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 1 by 3, c is equal to 2 by 5. We solve here, then we get different answer. So we say division is not associative for rational numbers. Just have a look. Put a value of a 1 by 2, value of b minus 1 by 3, value of c 2 by 5. See here 1 by 2 division sign. If we change division into multiplication, we reverse the number. 2 by 5 will become 5 by 2 because we are changing here the sign. Same minus 1 by 3 multiply, here 2 by 5 will become 5 by 2. Now multiply 3 multiply 2, what you will get? 6, and 1 multiply 5, you will get 5. Minus plus, here minus sign you will get. Similarly 1 by 2, if you change this division sign into multiplication, this reverse this 5 by 6 into 6 by 5, what you will get? 1 into 6, 6, 5 2s are 10, and here negative, so we keep here negative. Now simplify this, you will get answer minus 3 by 5. Right hand side, a divide b, a divide b, keep minus 1 by 3. When we change this division sign into multiplication, we reverse the number 1 by 3 as 3 by 1. Now 1 into 3, you will get 3, negative sign, 2 into 1, you will get 2, because plus minus minus. This division sign you change into multiplication, so 2 by 5 will get reverse and you keep here 5 by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15. Minus plus, what sign you will here keep? Minus. So see, left hand side you got minus 3 by 5, right hand side you got minus 15 by 4. Both the values are not equal, so we say division is not associative for rational numbers. Students, what you have to do? You have to complete these all properties in your note copy as homework. Solve and see. If you have any problem, we will do in our next lesson. So again, see what you have to do. You have to complete addition is associative for rational numbers. Then subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Next, multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Division is not associative for rational numbers. All these 4 properties you have to write in your note copy. If you feel any problem, then share with me. We will again do same in our next video lesson. Thank you.